By now, I'm sure you've seen the fake cakes on Pinterest, and I want to share a quick tutorial on how to make the frosting with foam clay. The first type is super easy. You just want to roll it in a rope shape and fold it in a zigzag motion. Second is super similar to the first, except use a toothpick to add a pattern to the clay. Fold it in a zigzag motion and have frosting similar to the first one, except with a bit more detail. The third one is my favorite one, but it can be a little bit tricky. So you want to take a clump of clay and twist, fold it together, and cut the side of the clay. And you just have to repeat to make the rest. For the fourth version, you want to make a teardrop shape and use a toothpick to add the side of the frosting. This kind of gives it a piping bag effect, and I think it looks